East, as we look at oil taking in all of these Mideast tensions, let's just take a step back. Help me characterize where we stand right now with regards to these latest geopolitical tensions and what you expect to happen next.
Good morning, Dan. I mean, for me, it's quite interesting that despite all these geopolitical tensions and the problems, I mean, we saw the attacks from Iran directly on Israel, something I personally did not envisage because Iran has always used its proxies to respond to Israel or American escalations in the region. But this time it was a direct attack. And still, many expected prices to spike, many expected prices to go to the three-digit territory. But we did not see that. Yes, we saw an upward pressure, and the geopolitical risk is adding several dollars to the current oil price. But it tells me that prices should have been much higher if market fundamentals would have supported higher prices. So there is, on one hand, the geopolitical risk premium, which is adding to prices. On the other hand, we had market fundamentals. Yes, they are looking stronger than, let's say, a few months ago, but they are not strong enough to support prices in the three-digit territory that many are expecting yet.
We're talking hypotheticals at this point, but if Israel did decide to engage in a direct conflict with Hezbollah or perhaps even strike Iranian nuclear or oil facilities, what would that mean for markets?
I mean, if you're talking about the worst case scenario of a serious escalation and supplies disruption, because to date, we don't have supply disruptions. Even when we had attacks in the Red Sea, we did not see losses of supplies. We saw diversion of tankers taking longer route to arrive. And that, caused delays, but not really supply disruptions. But in the worst case scenarios, of course, if there are supply disruptions, then we're going to see much higher oil prices in global markets. But it depends on the type of retaliation. We're going to see how Israel is going to respond, when it is going to respond, and what is going to attack. But I don't think Israel are going to attack oil facilities. If anything, Iran is clever to use the threat of disrupting supplies through the Strait of Hormuz, something they have done for years, and that by itself can exercise upward pressure. But I really hope that we don't go down that route of worsening a situation which is already fragile in the Middle East, let alone the ongoing war in Ukraine.